Welcome back to another video, guys. Today's video is not like our usual winning videos where I post how I took a trade and it's played out well, how I talk about my wins. So here it all went the other way. I took a loss on 10 index. I'm currently on a loss. I want to talk about what made me lose this trade so you all can learn from it. You have to see the other side of trading. In as much as we win trades, we also lose trades. I do work with the overall market direction, which is selling in the downtrend and buying in an uptrend. But today it all went the other way. I took a sell at this point on V10 index. Basically, I took a sell at this point and can see that it's going against us. Like, instead of selling, it's buying to the upside. And I've come to realize what made me lose this trade. So I went to the daily time frame. Basically, I didn't identify our levels on the daily time frame or check our overall market direction. You can see we had this key level which I was supposed to identify, but I didn't identify. You can see that this level has always been an important level. Selling on a support level definitely gets you burnt out. Instead of me to buy on this zone, I sold, and I didn't really check the higher time frame. I didn't check my levels. So that's it for the daily time frame. I didn't identify my level. That's the number one mistake. I never knew that the market was on a support level, a key level basically, and you see clearly here how this level has always been respected. And see the market bouncing off here, bouncing off here. It's certain that the market will definitely come to this zone and bounce off, because I've seen the market rejecting all this level 2 times and I sold at this point. That was the number one error. Selling on a key level, selling on a support level instead of buying on a support level. I went and sold. In as much as I saw the market direction, I should have also taken note of the levels, the level at which the market is trading on. Had it been the market was at this zone, like at this zone somewhere here, I would have been safer because there is no level at which the market will bounce on. But at this zone, there was a level, there's a key level at this point, there's a level of support, a strong level the market could easily bounce off from. So I took the sells instead of buying. So on the 1 hour time frame, basically, I didn't also identify this reversal formation at this point. So you got the market giving this double bottom formation, which is a nice reversal formation. I didn't identify it. I never knew that there was a reversal pattern at this point, which I was supposed to identify. I didn't really have a proper analysis of the market if I took this trade that I took. And you can see that the market was double bottom formation, which is a reversal formation. And after a double bottom formation, there's always a neckline, like there's a break and a test of the neckline. So you can see that we got the neckline at this point. The neckline of this our double bottom, we got it at this point. The market broke out of it, gave us a retest, gave us a buy to the upside, but didn't really give us a proper move to the upside. You can see how the market is moved out of this our zone. Didn't give us a further move. The market still came back to this our level again and still gave us a bounce on this level, which was my mistake. I didn't identify this our level. I didn't know that the reversal formation at this point. I didn't know that the market is on a neckline of a reversal formation. So I also saw that the market was giving us. I didn't identify this our descending channel as well. And on every descending channel, we expect the market to give us a break to the upside. I never knew that there was a descending channel at this point. I would have taken note of these levels properly. And on the 15-minute time frame too, I didn't know that the market was like the market created a low at this point, and it's creating another low basically at this point too, like a kind of a double bottom formation. On this our descending channel, and on every descending channel we could see the market give us a break to the upside. I waited for the market to break below this our level, because we had this level as an important level. You can see clearly on the 1 hour time frame. I didn't even have the market break below this our level, because technically it's still on a support level. Despite the downward move it gave, it was still on a key level. It was still on a support level. I didn't waited for the market to give me a break and a test of this my zone, of this my level. I didn't wait for the market to give me a break and a test of this level. It would have been fair enough for me to take my sales, because a level of support is broken and there's a high chance of the market selling off from the retest of it. I would have taken my sales at this point, but I didn't wait for the break of this our level. I just took my sales because I saw the market give me this downward direction. I didn't take note of this our zone, this our key level. I didn't take note of this our reversal formation. I didn't identify this our descending channel, and we are still moving in a loss. I'm intentionally holding this trade to show you guys that we can as well lose trades, we can as well be wrong in the market, we can't always be right despite how good we are. It's not possible for you not to lose a trade. At times our losses are bigger than our wins, but being able to manage our risk properly, being able to know how much you are willing to lose on a trade would help us stay profitable in the longer run. You can see that the market is against me and has even broken this our descending channel. We could see a further move to the upside from this our zone. We're closing the trade in a loss. I hope you guys will learn from this. Always wait for confirmations. Always wait for break of levels. If you want to sell and the market is on a support level, wait for the market to break and retest that support level for you to sell, like support on resistance. If you want to buy, always wait for the market to break that resistance level and retest it, resistance on support, and you can see the market is still moving to the upside. It's certain that the market won't give us the sell that we expect. You're actually wrong in the trade, because we have bought on a support level with a couple of confirmations instead of selling. So that will be it for now, guys. Thank you guys for staying true to the end of the video. Please remember to smash the like button and subscribe if you're a new viewer. And to my non viewers, I really appreciate you guys for always engaging in my videos. It really means a lot. Let's do more, guys, and do have a wonderful day. Peace out.